In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an eBay coupon code. This process is straightforward, but a little guidance can help you make the most of your shopping experience. So, let's dive right in and go through the whole process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to ebay.com. Once there, log into your eBay account if you haven't done so already. Logging in is essential because you need to access your personalized dashboard and cart to apply the coupon. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one, but assuming you're ready, simply enter your email and password, and you're good to go. Now browse through the listings to find the item you wish to purchase. Once you've found what you're looking for, click on the item to open its detailed view. This step is crucial as it allows you to review the product specifications, seller information, and delivery options. Make sure everything looks good before moving to the next step. After confirming your choice, look for and click on the Buy It Now button. This option will lead you directly to the purchase phase, where you can finalize your order. It's a quicker alternative to the Add to Cart option if you're set on buying just a single item without any further comparison shopping. You'll then be prompted to select your preferred payment method. eBay offers various options to ensure flexibility, so choose what works best for you. For our tutorial, let's select Google Pay. Once selected, eBay may require you to log into your chosen payment service if you haven't already. Verifying these details is crucial to process your transaction without hitches. The next step involves choosing your desired currency for the transaction. This option is particularly helpful when buying internationally, where currency choices can influence costs slightly. Just select your currency and you're set to go further. With your method of payment and currency selected, click on Continue to proceed to the coupon application phase. Here you'll have the opportunity to enter your eBay coupon code. Typically, these codes are 13 digits long, so carefully type your code into the designated field. A helpful tip here, double check your entry for any typos before pressing Apply to ensure the discount is activated correctly. Finally, under the Order Summary section, you'll see the updated totals reflecting your coupon discount, if applicable. Double check everything one last time: item details, payment method, and costs. If everything looks correct, click on Buy with Google Pay to finalize your purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully applied an eBay coupon code for your transaction. Remember to always review terms for any restrictions on coupons and enjoy your savings on your next purchase.